Morning, guys. Welcome to the market. Let's go look at some amazing food. This market is known for really good food. It's only here twice a month, and tons of stuff here. I've done a few videos in this market over the years. Today we're just looking at some food. Lots of delicious food. Let's go do it. The mask thing, totally optional here. If that offends you, too bad for you. There's been no cases in this province ever. Wow, beautiful sausage. Beautiful, beautiful sausage, yeah? Look at the monkey. Most of these food people they're set up on a motorbike, yeah? They drive from venue to venue as people, wherever people gather, they gather. Steamed buns. Again, you know, it's a three-wheeled motorbike. Look at this one. That's an old one. He's done already. He's gonna take mama home. The girl driving the white truck, she's been trying to get out of the parking lot for 20 minutes. She's very, very nervous. This guy's normally on the side of the highway, just coming into town. Every morning he's there. All chicken. Wow. Look at his old barbecue. This one's got a lot built onto it. It's got chicken and fish and pork and khanom jean. Oh, a lot of khanom jean. Busy place? Coca-Cola in glass bottle. Everyone's getting their temperature checked. And sanitizer. You gonna spray me? Yeah, thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you. I've been cleared by the medical experts. Oh, got this. Pad Thai, yeah. Pad Thai mama, no? All in little packages. Ah. Yeah. There's a police coming. Or going. Not everybody pays for a spot, you know? She's just doing a drive-by. This chicken here, I've shown it a few times. It's really, really good. And they cook it over here in the parking lot. Whoa. Yeah. This is a seasonal thing. This is green rice. Hello. Meaning rice that's not ripe yet. And they put coconut in it and make like a dessert. So this lasts. Hello. What was I saying? Make a dessert out of it. The Thai ladies, they love to be on video. Oh, look at this. Spring rolls and salad. Oh, macam, yeah? It's tamarind. Want to buy a watch? Wild jungle mushroom. Hello. Oh, is that no?
เอากองกันเฉยๆก็อยากเนี่ยใส่น้ำแข็งแล้วใส่น้ำแข็งแข็ง
Nice looking shrimp, that's for sure. Not so sure about the octopus. Squid look alright.
Hello, hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir, hello. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Oh, sorry, where you come from, sir?
From Canada.
Oh, Canada. Oh, yes, good.
That's
from
the dried
Thailand.
squid. You're from Thailand?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Mahasalakam City, Mahasalakam.
Okay, from the city. Okay, very good. Yeah, yeah. Say, he looks like a white guy with his haircut.
Yeah. Canada, Canada. Yeah, good, Canada. Very good, Canada.
Day old baby chicken.
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 Yeah.
Baby.
Baby chicken.
Yeah, you think so? Very good.
Yeah.
Smells really good. They got sausages too.
You come from?
From Canada, sir.
Huh?
Canada.
Canada.
Hi, fish cake.
วันนี้ว่าเห็นอย่างนั้นน่ะท่านถามน่ะ
โอ้ยสปีกอังกฤษก็ได้
Chicken.
No chicken. Fish, no?
Oh man,
You have chicken. Yeah, you have chicken. Yeah, you have chicken.
chicken, John.
Which is probably cooked in the same oil. Look at that piece of an oil drum with a gas burner under it.
Chicken, John.
Beautiful chicken.
Chicken, John. Yeah.
Chicken frame.
Chicken.
Wing tips.
Chicken, John.
Yeah. Your chicken is really big. Better than KFC. All the desserts. Come on, crook. Oh yeah.
โบก
Not ready yet.
อันนี้ยี่ห้อสุดเลยปลาเลี้ยงนี่กินได้ปะ
Look at that beautiful koi fish in a plastic bag. It's really nice. Many different colors, yeah? Look at that!
Where are you?
I am from Canada. I've seen this lady before. She's very camera shy. But that's beautiful but strange sushi. It's got bologna on it.
ซูชิ5 บาท
5 baht. It's cheap anyway. Hello.
อะไร
More sausage.
กำลังร้อนๆนะจ้า20 บาทค่ะส่งแล้วค่ะกำลังร้อนๆนะจ้า
He's making a green pancake.
20 ค่ะ
มาตะบานขึ้นแต่ก็มันฮอดที่นี่ละ
Its selling point, they're really hot. More baby chickens. Okay guys, that's it. Busy place, very, very busy. Even more food coming now, which is a surprise because it's late. This market would normally be winding down right now, so good sign. It's really, really busy. Tons of food. I didn't buy any food, but I'm sure the boss did. And she's probably waiting for me at the truck right now because I've been here way too long. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Busy place. Busy, busy place.